So today we're in Donegal again, the Buncrana end. We're in Cockhill. Actually lovely views across here, but we're going to go down here, down below. There's like a wee beach and a wee, well, I'd say wee, big cave, but we're going to go down and explore it. And then I think maybe this direction somewhere along the river there should be a wee waterfall and stuff, so we're going to check it out here now, see how we get on. Forgot my hiking shoes today, so I have my Crocs. Can't believe I left the house without them, but temperature's not too bad either. I just put the coat on because it's a wee bit windy, but see how we get on down this. Just making our way down here. These buoys are a lifesaver. Don't think I'd possibly get down without them, you know. I wouldn't fancy trying to get down these stones even on a wet day without these buoys. And see, and see there's ropes, which is good as well. It's good. No, the cave's up here. I'll go and explore the cave. Wow, this cave is so big. I think the cave goes the whole way around here. I've no real light with me here. Just using the light on the phone, but as you can see, we're walking around in this cave. It is very big and deep. You'll probably see better as we're coming out of it, but even right around here. Let's go and see. You can see much. Oh, watch my step. This might be the end of it here now. Yeah, good deep cave. I think it's probably one of the better caves I've been in, like in terms of on a beach. I know Murder Hole's got a nice cave, and Murder Hole Beach is beautiful. This cave, as you see, what's coming out now. It's done a full circle in it. Absolutely stunning. And let's just come back out of it now. It is very deep. You probably didn't see how deep it is next to the picture, but it is deep and it's absolutely stunning. I forgot my Insta360 camera, which would have been good. Well, I didn't forget it. It's in the bag. It's not charged. Forgot to charge it. And look at the views down here. Hello, Brona. Did you find anything exciting? Dead jellyfish? I think a drone. See what we're find, but it is. We should fly the drone too far. Not be too bad. It's this makes actually any use. TikTok shop. You know, if anybody wants the bike, you can ask them. I think we're gonna go now and try and find a waterfall. But down here is actually class, and I'd say the tide probably comes right in, so I think we'll get a wee bit lucky today in terms of the water out. Yeah, let's see what Bruna thinks. Should I get the drone out here, or should we get it up later on around the corner? How did you get up here, Bruna? There's Bruna hiding there. She's camera shy. Are you camera shy, aren't you? She's camera shy. God love her. Let yous in the secret how I have to help my girlfriend, which is very small. Woo! Ta-da! Now we're going looking for a waterfall. See what's around here. Oh, good luck. So I think it's the way to the waterfall. It is a wee bit windy today. Oh, I see a bit of the water. So this is, where does the
Shargo River.
Shargo River?
And it runs out into Loch Willie.
And it runs out to Loch Willie. See, Bruna does all the research. I just come for the spin.
So that's if I follow the river up to.
I'm not sure. Probably, there's a path there, anyway. We'll go check the path. There's our photographer. Like the videos, she takes the pictures. Yeah, good wee steps. There's while effort run up and down by a tripod and like staging a hike and walk, isn't it? To showcase people the beauty. You think they'd give you a thumbs up or a follow?
A lot of effort.
All that effort, I think they'd give you
Well thought.
I think they'd give you a wee follow, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
A wee like or a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Turn your notifications bell on.
Yeah, all that good jazzy. It is beautiful. Oh, it's class. Even the sound of the river on there. For anyone that loves colourful flowers, let me know what this is. Not sure where this waterfall is meant to come out, but following the river, see a nice wee seat and all here too. Nice wee seat if you want to have a wee sit and rest. Definitely beautiful. Doesn't seem to be too many about. See a river? Oh, no way. I don't come. I need to see your reaction. Come on. Gorgeous, isn't it? Bruno's happy. I'll let you see it here now. Class. And there seems to be access up this way as well. I don't know what that's for. We'll check it out after. You can see a bit of steps and rope, but look at this waterfall. Unreal. So pretty. Bruno's way up here. We're going to follow her up. I think you can walk to the top of the waterfall. Just go check it out here now. Cut. So this is the point where my mic stopped working. So if you just type in the Google Maps and type in Cockhill Celtic, and you'll see a cemetery, and you can park here opposite the football pitch. Make your way down, and you'll see a gate in there. I'll say private access, but just go in, close the gate behind you, and shouldn't be any problems. Lastly, we had to stop for some beautiful food. Thank you for watching.